How to apply for a Capital One credit card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can apply for a credit card online for Capital One. So let's just get ahead and look out on how we can do that. So for that, you can head over to capitalone.com or you can also directly head over and download the application on the device. And then you will be directly headed over to this. Even though you download the application, you will be redirected to this website. So you can just go ahead and look out for this website. Once you're on this page, you will be seeing this interface on your screen and you will be finding different options available. And we're going to tap on this option called see if I'm pre-approved first. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be led to another page where you will be finding an option to apply for a credit card. So let's just wait for the page to be loaded on your screen first. And once you're right here, you will be finding different offers right here. So you can look out for these offers available. And then once you're satisfied with the offers, you can just go ahead and fill up the forms, go on with the verification process and fill up everything they're asking you to do so. After that is done, that is how you apply for a credit card online for Capital One. So that is how you do it. That's how you apply for a credit card online for Capital One. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope this video was helpful. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.